know if you can see this real well. Craig benching wing on a Cat 160M. Come along and take the top off the drift. Leave the first stage of the bench at the edge of the road so the truck driver's got something to follow when he comes back. Kind of leave a first stage bench here, and then I reach as far as I can reach. Big open field, kidney bean stubble this year. Doesn't blow quite as bad when they had it in the corn, but not much stubble to catch snow. This is the witness protection program. As with anything else, there's more to it than just jamming that snowbank back. There's all sorts of treasure buried in there. We've got gas markers, fiber optic markers, phone pedestals. Always more to it than meets the eye.